let's make caramel sauce. So in the pot, I have the sugar, and to the sugar, I'm gonna add the water, and I'll stir that around. A lot of recipes will tell you to put enough water to make the sugar look like wet sand. A nice San Diego beach. There we go. Once that's stirred through, I can add the corn syrup. And a pinch or two of cream of tartar. Get that all stirred through together. Now I'm going to turn the pot on and turn it on high. As I do that, I want to cover it . Now as this comes to a boil, the water will condensate and it will wash down the sides to remove all the excess sugar that's on the side. As you can see, the water is at full boil right now. And again, what's happening is that water is condensating and it's washing down the sides of the pot. Now to remove the plastic, use extreme caution. I like to use a pair of tongs because as soon as you create a gap, that steam is going to seek out that spot and it can burn you very badly. So I'm just going to pull on it real quickly just to kind of release that and let it continue going. Now my sides are all washed down and I'm going to let this continue to cook to get the caramel stage. Right now the sugar's starting to take on a little bit of a color, so we're very close. The aroma should start getting kind of a nutty flavor. You never want to stir a caramel with a whisk, but we can swirl it if it becomes uneven browning inside the pot. That's just to combine the two different colors in there. Now we're looking for that nice amber color. The next step is going to be to add the cream. When I add the cream, I want to add it all at once off to the side because this is going to steam up and it will be very dangerous if you go right over it. You'll get a steam burn with that as well. You're looking for that color you want, just about there. I'm going to add the cream right now. Now I'm going to stir it again carefully. Turn the temperature down a little bit. I want to stir it just to get that sugar dissolved. Once the sugar is dissolved with the cream, my sauce is ready to be plunged in the ice just for a moment. Allowing it to boil. Again, be careful because that is very, very hot sugar and very hot coming out of there. Look right there, it's getting closer. A little sauce for you. Okay, plunge it in here just to get it cool. Stir that around. You always want to chill it a little bit before adding the butter. The butter. Stir that through. Once the butter stirred through, you have a completed sauce.